Hello students, let's continue with key to success for the chapter number 2, which is cubes and cube roots. We are going to start with question number 12. Here the question is find the cube root of. Earlier you have studied how to find out square root of given number. Now you are going to study to find out cube root of a given number. We will be doing this question with the help of prime factorization, which is the easiest way. We'll be doing one of these parts, other one you can try yourself. So let us start with the second part. As the number is given 21600. You know the rule as you have learnt. In prime factorization, we start with prime numbers only. So the smallest prime number which divides this is 2 on the table of 2. Divide it and see what number do you get. Again on the table of 2. Again on the table of 2. We will be dividing it in the table on the table of 2 as many as times it is divided. Again on 2. Now as you can see, this number is not divisible by 2 as it is odd number, but the last number is 5, so surely it is divisible by 5. So let us divide it by 5. Again the last number is 5, we can divide it by 5. Again it is divided by 5. See, we get 27 and we know that 27 is divisible by 3. On the table of 3 on 9, then again on the table of 3, 3, 3, 1. See here all the numbers are prime numbers. Sometimes a teacher says you should start with smaller number first. Means 3 should be here first. Then 5 should come. The only logic behind that is you should use prime numbers. It is okay if you change the order. For example, I have used 5 first and 3 later. It will make no effect on my answers. It is just numbers should be prime, right? So if we make the triplets, it is cube. Now we have to make the triplets. It is having a perfect triplet. 2, again 5 is having it, 3 is having it. So there is no number which is left out of these triplets. Every number is available. So the cube root of given number will be, in this way we will be writing 2, we have to write 6 times. Then we will be writing 5 3 times. Then we will be writing 3 3 times. When we make triplet, one out of these 3 numbers will come out. For example, from here we will get 2. From here we will get 2. From here we will get 5. From here we will get 3. Out of 3, one number will be there. Out of 3, same numbers. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 23s are 60. So cube root of the given number is 60. So this is the way to find out cube root of a given number. Now you have this question as assignment. Try this question and you'll get your answer. Right? I think this question is clear to you. If there's any doubt, you can ask in comment box. Now we are going to start with question number 13th. Find the cube root of the rational number. This is a negative rational number. We are going to find out cube root of this number. And again, it is very easy as I have taught you prime factorization already. So basically you have to find out this thing. And you already know how to prime factorize this. We have done it now. First of all, on the table of 2, without minus you can start first. First of all, do it without minus. Just solve it. Again on the table of 2. Again on the table of 2. So all the numbers having perfect triplets, we have to write 2 8 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And now let us see prime factorization of 343. It is divisible by 7. On the table of 7, we are dividing it. So here we'll write 7 into 7 into 7. Now what about this minus? Whenever it is cube root of a negative number, the negative number will be there in the answer. This negative sign will be there. Square root of negative number is not there in your syllabus. You can never get a question. Find out square root of minus 16. You can't get that question. But you can get this question. Find out cube root of the negative number, because answer will be negative only. So I have kept minus already outside. So when I make pairs of 3, from here I'll get a number which is 2. From here I'll get a number 2. Okay, we have to write 2 9 times. Yahan pe 2 9 times hai. So one time again we'll be writing it. So 2 into 2 into 2 and 7 in the denominator. Out of all 3, as I told you, one number will be outside. So our answer is minus 8 upon 7. Cube root of the given number is minus 8 upon 7. Clear? 2 will be here 9 times. I skipped one time. 2 will be here 9 times. Now moving ahead with question number 14. We have to again evaluate it. You have done it a number of times now, so I guess it is clear to you. As you know, you will be writing 27 as 333. 3 times when you multiply 3, you will get 27. Since it is a decimal number, first of all, remove decimal. It is 8 upon 1000. Similarly, you have to remove decimal here also. Six zeros I have put because there are 6 decimal places. So I have put 6 zeros. So out of these 3, it's very clear that 3 will come out. And cube root of 8 is 2. We can write it once. We can write it in this way for the better understanding. And cube root of 64, we already know, 4. When you multiply 4 3 times, you get 64. And here you will get 100 into 100 into 100, because there are 6 zeros. So the answers are, answer of this is 2 upon 10, answer of this is 4 upon 100, which gives you the resulting answer is 3.24. Right? Here we have covered the concept of a rational numbers cube root. Here we have covered the concept of cube root of a decimal number. And earlier we have done cube root of a simple number. So all 3 concepts are clear. Now let's move ahead to the next concept, which is related to square and square roots. This square concept you have already done in the chapter first, that was square and square roots. It is same like that. In this question, it is given find the smallest number by which 68,600 should be divided so that quotient is perfect cube. Now what they are saying, ki this is not a perfect cube. When you make factors, तो इसमें ऐसे फैक्टर्स नहीं बनते हैं विच गिव यू अ परफेक्ट क्यूब, राइट? सो इट इज़ नॉट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. इसमें से अभी कुछ हटाना है. डिवाइडेड मीन्स हटाना. व्हाट शुड बी डिवाइडेड. इसमें से कुछ हटाना है. ऐसा क्या हटाया जाए कि जो रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास दैट बिकम्स अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. सो फॉर दैट द प्रोसीजर इज सेम एज प्रीवियस कॉन्सेप्ट जो हमने स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट्स में सीखा है इन प्रीवियस वीडियोज. If you have not seen it, see those videos. First of all, start dividing it. Otherwise it is clear कि ये 7 की टेबल पे it's divisible by, so I'm trying it with 7. It makes my question easier. Now on the table of 2 again, on the table of 2 again, 25, 5, 5, 5. See, 7 is 3 times, so 7 is okay. We need not to work with 7. 2 is there 3 times, so we are okay with 2 also. 2 is not a problem because it is having its triplet. ये 3 बारी आ चुका है. 7 and 2, both the numbers have occurred 3 times, तो it is not any issue. इसको नहीं हटाना है. Problem is with 5. एक 5 कम है हमारे पास, तो ट्रिपलेट नहीं बन पा रहा है. तो इफ आई रिमूव दीज टू 5, मैं इनको हटा दूँ, नाउ आई एम हैविंग परफेक्ट ट्रिपलेट्स. मेरे पास 3 नंबर हैं. 3 बारी 2, 3 बारी 7. सो आई विल रिमूव दीज टू 5, मतलब 5 5 ज़ा 25. मुझे 25 हटाना है. सो आई विल राइट 68. हियर यू कैन राइट अ लाइन दैट 68,600 मस्ट बी डिवाइडेड बाय 25 to get perfect cube. Now when you divide it, see on the table of 5, again on the table of 5, it is 2744. You can check whether this is a perfect cube or not. On the table of 2, again on the table of 2, again on the table of 2, now on the table of 7. See, out of these only 1, out of these only 1. So yes, it is a perfect cube. So wherever it is a concept what should be divided, it means you have to remove the extra things. जो आपके पास extra है उसे हटाना है. 2 5s were extra, तो 5 5s are 25. ये extra था, तो I have removed it. The concept is similar. Now it is just by which number it should be multiplied. Means हम क्या add on करें, क्या एक और number extra लगाएं जिससे ये perfect cube बन जाए. So let us start this question. It is 2250. On the table of 2, when you see this, again on the table of 5, again on the table of 5, 3 3 3. Let's check the calculations that whether it is correct or not. See, here I need one more 3 to make it a perfect cube. I need one more 3. Otherwise, there is no triplet of 3. 3 times occur नहीं किया. मुझे एक बारी 3 चाहिए. And 2 times I need 2. क्योंकि 2 एक बारी ही आया, 2 बारी और चाहिए. So these are the numbers which I need. So 2250 must be multiplied by 12. Multiplied by 12 to get the perfect cube. Now the concept is same. Multiplied by 12. See what number you get and check whether it is a perfect cube or not. Right? it will be a perfect cube. So this was the concept, what should be multiplied and what should be divided. These were the two concepts. I hope all the concepts we have covered of cube and cube roots, and all the concepts are quite clear, and these are very important with the point of view of examination. So prepare these concepts well and ask queries in the comment box. Thank you.